Okay. So how are you today, my darling?
I am fine
What
and I am having a great day.
Very good. What did you do today?
I ate egg and avocado and toast, and right now, as you can see, I'm swinging.
Yes, very good.
And I also played badminton
Ah.
with my sister Tahira,
Ah.
and my father is taking the video.
Very good. First, now can you see it says REC recording?
Yeah, record.
Okay. Now this video is being taken by Amira.
Yes.
Okay. So what you do, like now you can see it's being filmed. Taken 15 seconds, 16 seconds. Now you stop. You don't want to take more.
Yeah, start.
Does it say recording?
Yes.
Okay. Hello everybody, how are you? I'm very happy today that my little daughter Amira is learning how to make videos. I want to teach her everything that I know so that she'll become a very good movie maker, writer, and be able to create a lot of nice things for the whole world. Okay, now just stop, press the record button, stop.
Start.
Okay. Hello everybody. This video is being taken by my 6-year-old daughter Amira. I am so happy and I'm so blessed to have her as my daughter because she loves to do creative things like I do. And I hope that she will become a very good filmmaker, writer, and do a lot of creative things to help the world.
Okay.
Now press the REC.
Thank you, Papa, for saying such few nice words.
Yo.
Okay, bye, guys.